Hello there everyone, this is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. As we continue with our study about Bash or Born Again Shell, in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to create a division of two numbers in Bash. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers to my channel. If you are new with my channel, please click the notification bell, click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started on how the code will work. So we have here, I'm using nano, so we have here divide.sh shell or born again shell. So we have here sharp for comment division of two numbers in Bash, written by yours truly, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada. And then my location here in the Philippines is Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. We have here printf to new line, and then we have here the title, printf \t or horizontal tab in C language, division of two numbers in Bash, \2 new line. And then we have here red -p for prompt, give first value. The first value will be stored in your variable num1, and then read -p for the second time around, second value that will be stored in your variable, in our variable 2. And then we have your result that will act as an assignment statement equals $, double parentheses, $num1 slash $num2, close parentheses, and then we have, this is already the processing portion that will divide the values, and then printf \n, and then we have your printf \t, the division value of $num1 and $num2 is $result \n new line. To new line here, and then we have your printf \t end of program. So this is already the output, and then 2 \n for new line. After we have done in macOS, I'm using macOS terminal command, Ctrl-O to save the file, the divide.sh in our nano text editor, Ctrl-X to return the command prompt, and then we will issue a command bash divide.sh to execute our bash script program. So we have here division of two numbers in bash, give first value, let's say for example 1000, give the second value, let's say 10. So the division value of 1010 is 100, end of the program. Let us run again our code. So we have here, let's say for example we have 250, and then we have 5 for the second value. First value we have 250, second value is 5. So we have here the division value of 250 and 5 is 50, and a program. Let's go back to our nano. So that's it guys, we have already created a program using Bash scripting language to divide two numbers using Bash. Thank you very much guys for all the support and for watching this video tutorial. I hope that you learned something new in our lesson on Bash or Born Again Shell programming. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial. Show your support by clicking the subscription button so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded tutorials of mine. This is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Until the next video tutorial guys, bye bye for now.